All right, so this is the first time Walker is attempting to drive this lawnmower on his own. We've gone through a training session where he was in my lap, but he's on his own this time. What we're going to do is have him ride down that way, take a right, come around, and come back up here.
Like the
Just
route that we did?
same route we did, and then come back and stop right here. Let's see if you can do it. It's a proud dad moment right here. Let's hope he can come back. Alright, alright. Doing well. Brake. Well done. Proud dad right here. Proud dad.